So, okay, I'm not going to go through any other forms because each chapter is dedicated to the each form. So the next lesson we will covering some forms, and after that a few other forms. And with the next 4 or 5 chapters, you will have learned all the forms. So let's go through the exercise, because exercise doesn't really, it's not related to the rules of the chapter. The exercise is just the rules of the previous chapter. So just the vocabulary, which you should memorize. Thabitun means fixed or firm. Thaqilun means heavy. Khafifun light. It normally means in weight. Jabinun forehead. Broken plural is jubunun. Waja'un means pain. Awja'un pain. Broken plural. Jalsatun means sitting or session. Jalasatun, broken plural. Oh, sorry, here in this case is feminine sign plural. Jamalun means beauty. Ajnabiyun means foreigner, stranger. Broken plural is ajanibu. Majhulun is meaning unknown, and we already, that's why the passive verb we call it fi'l majhul. Because the reason why I call fi'l majhul, because the fa'il, the person who does the action, is not known. Also, jawabun means reply, answer, similar to Urdu, and broken plural is ajwibatun. Jarun means neighbor, plural is jiranun, broken plural. Hurriyatun, liberty or freedom, similar in Urdu as well, right? Harisun means guard. Hurrasun, broken plural. Husaynun is the name. Rabi'u, which means spring, we're talking the season spring, or you could say Faslu Rabi'i. The both means spring. Summer is as-sayfu, winter is al-kharifu. Sorry, autumn is al-kharifu, winter is ash-shita'u. Khususiyun is private. Khususan, especially. Dirhamun, dirham, so it's a coin or weight, used some currency in some countries as well. And broken plural darahimu, like it says also money. Dafa'a means to pay or push. Yadfa'u, dafa'a yadfa'u. Duwaliyun means international. Bila or biduni, without, with genitive. So next, these will make the next word genitive. That's why it tells you in the brackets. Jismun means body. Broken plural ajsamun. Faslun means season, as with Faslu Rabi, for example, the season of spring. So Faslun means season. It's broken plural is fusulun. Lubnanu, diptode, right? Lebanon. So some other words over here diptode as well. By now you should be able to pick out which ones are diptodes. Like Ashita, no, that's alif lam there. But anyways, I'll leave you to work that out. So let's do a couple of questions, and then you can do the rest for the homework. Farhana, you want to do number 1?
Yes, sir. هذه الحجرة ثابت في الحائط.
Nasabitun, look.
ثابتة
Yes.
في حائط وهي ثقيلة جدا. This is the fixed stone.
No.
This stone is fixed.
Yes. You need to remember this is big difference.
Yeah.
It means this stone. If you say this stone, and I'm going to repeat same rules again and again because it's not worth it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you say this is a stone, you will say hajaratun. Okay, both are definite here. Hazihi definite because you point to a specific thing. Al hajar is definite. Both are definite. So it's like this stone. So it's like you could say The stone is additional information to hazihi.
Yes.
But okay, carry on. So it's like almost you could say like a sifa, like a adjective of hazihi, or what
Yes,
they call.
sir.
Yeah. But
So height is wall, right?
yes.
This stone is fixed in the wall and it is light. It is very light.
No, sakilatun means heavy. Sakilun means heavy. Sakilatun is
Okay. It is
yeah,
heavy. Yeah.
yeah,
It is very heavy.
yes. And sakilatun refers back to hajaratu. That's why here you use nahuwa. Yes,
Okay, sir.
Sudais, second.
Yes.
li waja'un shadidun fi.
Rabini ya waladu.
No.
It's like I have extreme pain in my forehead, oh boy. Or
Okay.
head, you can simply say head because Jabini is like forehead, you cannot say forehead. So I have severe headache, oh boy.
Yes. Okay. That's fine. Farhana, why does here Misra has fatha? No, why does it? Why is it not Misrin?
Diptoed, because of diptoed.
Okay. Let's do some English and then we can do yourself because there's no additional rules. Everything we covered before. The lectures are near, and I am without my car. Whose turn is it?
So mine.
Okay.
So election is intikhabatun. Intikhabatun. The al-intikhabatun.
Al
Intikhabatun.
Tun.
No, yeah, al-intikhabatu.
Right.
Al-intikhabatu.
Yeah.
Karibun. Wa ana bala say.
Al-intikhabatu. The elections are qaribatun, right?
Karibatun.
So again, this is mubtada and khabar. This is noun and subject and predicate. Yes, qaribatun because of this is feminine. The elections are near.
Wa ana.
Yes.
Bala.
Yeah, okay.
Sayarati.
Wa ana. Bila or not bala. Bila. Or what's that? Or biduni. It makes the sayarati.
Sayarati.
Okay. Normally bila or biduni means without and makes the word genitive. Space. You
Which one?
pay the 2 dirhams and go back to your house, you thief. Not very nice to say to somebody, but yeah.
Pay. So pay. What is the Arabic of pay?
دفع يدفع.
دفع. Okay. دفع درهمين واذهب
So
إلى
say that, no, so say that again.
دفع.
Okay, دفع, what does that mean?
To pay.
No, translate the full word. What دفع, what's the full translation?
Translation of the like the 2 dirhams. I should put it like that. Pay
No.
the 2.
No. Focus on what I'm saying. Don't think anything else. دفع, just this word. What does that mean? Just this word. What does it mean?
دفع, to put or give.
So he gave
push,
past.
push.
What I'm saying to you is it past tense? Is it future? Is it present? Is it fi'l amr? What's the full meaning? You know, when you say to pay, we generally speaking about the general
present
meaning.
tense. Yeah, present tense. You're using present tense or yadfa'u. يدفع.
Okay, pay. When you say to somebody pay,
ادفع. ادفع. It should be ادفع.
So first, when you see a word, don't jump on say, oh, pay means dafa'a. We're going to use dafa'a. Think this word is he past tense? Is he future tense? Is he fi'l mudare? Is negation? Is he a nahi? You need to take all that into consideration before you form a verb. You can't just say pay. What does it? How do you say pay in Arabic? Oh, it's dafa'a yadfa. I'm use dafa'a.
Okay,
You
it's a
gotta-
command. Yeah, it's a command. So ادفع الدرهم.
ادفع
ادفع الدرهماني.
dirhamani.
Yeah.
So
Object. It's an object, so it should be accusative. So money. But
so okay, let me write down. Pay 2 dirhams, pay the 2 dirhams. So we okay. So what you're saying is like gonna be like this.
money.
This is accusative according to you. If it's accusative, how do we say nominative? How do you say nominative?
Sorry, this is nominative. That is darhamani. That is nominative, and the genitive and the accusative is many.
Yeah. Sadesh, you seriously need to revise
Yes, sir.
everything we've done.
Inshallah. ادفع الدرهمين واذهب إلى بيتك.
Okay. So okay, that's fine. So izhab means go go to your house. There's another word we can use. There's good that you understand what izhab, but there's another word which probably reflects better is irja. Raja'a means to go back. So here, because it's saying go back, so we use raja'a yarja'u, irja.
ارجع إلى بيتك.
إلى بيتك, yes.
You thief, O sa'iq.
O side. What's O in Arabic?
O is, yeah, O means calling someone like you thief, so it should be like.
How do you say in Arabic? You can't say O is not in the Arabic word.
Okay. Ya saiku.
Yeah, ya sariku, yes.
Ya saiku.
Okay, ya sariku, ya ayu hal sariku, ya sariku. You can say that, or if you want to say, you can say ayu hal. So if you, difference is we don't use alif lam. With ayu, we could use alif lam. Okay, so that's this is my private book. Do not take it away. And it tells you what to use. So
Haza kitabi khususi. Fa la.
So let me write it down. So Haza kitabi. Yes.
Khususi.
Khususiyun al-khususiyun.
Khususiyun. No, khususiyin. It's mudaf. No, kitabi is mudaf ilayhi. Khususin is the adjective of the book.
Yes, that's how you need to think and analyze. Yes, that's good. Okay. So what is it going to be?
It's khususin. Khususiyin.
When you said adjective of a word, we must agree in everything.
Because it is kitabi.
You must agree in what things? Remind me.
In number, in gender. and definiteness and
Yes.
case endings.
So is he making when you say khususiyun or khususiyin, you making are you making agreed with kitab in every sense? So kitabi here, what we
Yes,
said,
sir.
is he definite or indefinite?
It is definite
Why is it definite? Don't mind me.
because I'm speaking about my book.
Yes, in my book. So we mentioned before, and this is lesson 3. So that's why revision is crucial, because if you knew that properly, because this is why when I was learning, when we started, I said to you, each lesson builds on a new lesson. So if you memorize your rules really, really well and understood them well, then it's applied here, and we're in chapter 15 or something. And this is from chapter 3. Hadha kitabi. So we said when the mudaf alayhi is definite, so which is my here, because my is a specific person. The ya here is definite. It's a specific thing. We know our specific person. We talk about me. Then the mudaf, the possession become automatically definite. So this is definite automatically. Hadha kitabi. This is my book. So what's the change you're gonna do? The adjective
Al.
has al khasu. So it has to match also with kitab, with what else? We
Case
made it
endings.
case endings. So what's the kitabi? Is it nominative, accusative, genitive? Why is it
It is nominative.
nominative? So this is going to be nominative as well. So why is it going to be?
Khususiyu.
So see you. Okay. Okay. Carry on.
La tadhab.
Okay, that's good. So it says so.
La tadh. La.
So,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
La
Fala. So do not take. Does
tazhabahu.
have, and it says be, use the word be he.
Bihi.
So
Tazhabihi.
so do not take it away. So it tells you what to use.
So if we said la tazhab haza, so that we fine.
So, sorry, say it again.
So if we say la tazhab haza, so would that be fine?
No, the key here is tazhab means to go, right? And it's telling you that if you want to say use it to mean take away, you need to use the word be with it.
So can we use the word khuz over here because it's taking?
Yeah,
Fala takhuz.
Fala ta'khudh, do not take. Yeah, you can use that as well. Fala ta'khudh who. Fala ta'khudh, do not take it away. Or if you want to say do not take this, la ta'khudh haza, for example. But here, if you want to say take away, when you use zahaba, you must use be. Otherwise, zahaba means to go.
With zahaba, B will be like take away.
Yes. So it's here, it's not in the vocabulary, but it's in the brackets. It gives indication that if you want to use say take away, you use zahaba with be. Okay, let's do the last question and then we call you away. So let's do, instead of 4, let's do 5. And when you do these answers, I want all these correct at least. Don't make mistakes in the ones we already covered. Okay, carry on. Number 5, Hussein is the father of Hassan and the brother of Muhammad.
Hasanun al-Abu.
Hussein, Hassan, Hussein is the father of Hassan.
Yeah, so Husainun al-Abu
So
Abul Hasan.
1 second, one word at a time. Husainun. Husainun, yes.
Al-Abu.
Al-Abu, okay. First of all, okay, carry on.
Okay, sir, because it's father of Hassan, so we will not write Al-Abu, we'll write Abul Hassan.
Yes, and also the words Abu and so forth, it's Abu like that because when it's mudaf, if you add alif lam, it's not going to be Al-Abu, it's going to be Al-Abu, like that. So that's the actual word. Husainun Abu is the father of mudaf. This is mudaf. What's the mudaf
Hassan.
Hasa.
Hassanin.
Hassanin, yes.
And wa.
How do you say brother?
Akhu.
Akhu. When again we use mudaf, normally we say akhun, right? Akhu. Akhu.
Muhammadin.
Muhammadin. Okay. He is the tallest man. This is the rule we done superlative.
Huwa.
Okay. Huwa.
Rajulun.
Rajulun. Okay. Are you gone?
Atulu. Atwalu.
Do you remember the rule? Do you remember the rule for Hannah?
Yes, sir.
What's the rule?
Atwalun. Atwalun Rajulin.
At. Okay. Walun.
Atwalun
Dhamma. Tanween.
Rajulin. No, Atwalu Rajulin.
Atwalu. Rajulin.
Ar-Rajulin.
No, it's just Rajulin. So the rule was, if you want to say the tallest or the longest, it is called superlative. What you do is you use
should be mudaf and
you became mudaf and use the form of alu. It's called superlative form or comparative of alu, and you make the next word singular, indefinite, and genitive. So huwa atwalu rajulin. He is the tallest man.
Yeah. Okay.
And now almost days use the same rule we just mentioned to do the next one. First in the room. So what do you say in the room? What do you say?
في الغرفة. في الغرفة.
Okay, and finish out al-ghurfa wa ti tu ta ti.
في الغرفة.
Yeah.
And wa. New is jadid. New is jadid. So we will use the af'alu. Ajaddu.
Because this is the double becomes because it was jadidun. There was two dads. So it becomes ajaddu, yes.
He is like wazir.
Yes.
Ajadtu wazirin.
Wazirin, yes.
في لبنان. Lubnan.
For Lubnan. Why is it?
في Lubnan. If it is diptote, so it should be Lubnan. Or if it's not, I don't know. I don't remember.
It's a diptote, yes.
Okay, في Lubnan.
Yeah. So here, when we done this, you both recognize that the fact that this is not extra any difficult. It's all about the rules we done. If you memorize the rules, if you break it down, it doesn't become difficult. The reason why Arabic to English is easier because you don't have to think much about the rules. It's already there for you. And if you could understand what the word means, you can translate. But the challenge comes when you do English to Arabic because you have to remember the rules and be able to apply them at each step. That's what becomes difficult. But if you know the rules, like for example, if you know how to say the tallest man, the longest man, we've done it many times. It becomes so much easy, because if you don't know the rule, then you say rajulun, tulun, something like that, and it wouldn't make sense. And again, here, important. Sorry, where was it? Pay, for example, if you know if Amr, you could be, this is my private book. Here again, the rule was about adjectives. The key is clearly is the revision. The more you go over the rules again and again, the easier you will get, because as you know that these rules are repeated so many times. So if your foundations are strong, you'll find it easy. There are new rules coming in, but all rules are repeated many, many times. And these are all mostly old rules. That's all from me. Just finish off the exercise 36 and 37, inshallah. And next week we will do a new chapter. Jazakumullah khair. And by the way, you could send both exercises together. Because English, Arabic into English, you normally get, you do okay. It's the second one you normally struggle with. So if you want, you can send it together. And if I don't get back to you for homework the same day, please remind me the next day, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.
Yeah.